I am Sister Migs, Mary Ignatius Vidua. I'm an Assumption sister. I am happy being a sister. Basically, I am 12 years already in the convent, entered at 24 years old, and made my final vows last 2012. Bakit ba ako masaya bilang isang madre? Kasi araw-araw nililigawan ako ng Diyos. Ang sarap lang mamuhay na kasama mo lagi ang nagmamahal sa'yo at ang mahal mo din. So, paano ba nag-umpisa? Isang retreat, tinanong ako ng 3 question. What have you done for Christ? What are you doing for Christ? What will you do for Christ? I had a boyfriend as well as I was happy being a math teacher, but then iba. There's something missing and there's something that I was looking for that is not yet there. I found the real treasure that I've been looking for everywhere. Natagpuan ko siya. Siya naman ang ligaw sa akin. Belonging to Him and He belongs to me as well. That gives a lot of joy that cannot be found anywhere else. I see His hands everywhere. Mamamangha ka na lang dahil binubuhos niya lahat-lahat sa'yo. Talagang ibibigay niya buong mundo para sa'yo. You just give a little and yet He gives you everything. True happiness is having Christ and belonging to Christ. Bigyan niyo naman ng chance ang Diyos. Bigyan niyo siya ng parang space sa buhay niyo. Kahit konti lang. Katapos, paligaw din kayo sa Diyos. Kung meron mang the best na manliligaw, yun yung Diyos. Seek Him, find Him because He is the real treasure. He's the source of all the happiness and the joy. I'm Sister Migs and I find true happiness in knowing Christ, loving Christ, and serving Christ.